Okay, even when there's no surf, there can be a big advantage and a good start. We're going to watch these guys now start and see who gets over the wave good. Ready? Ready? Go! Now watch this. It's going to be a big dive over this wave. Yep, there they go. Look at that. Good. Now look at the advantage. There's no surf. These guys are already 10 metres ahead. Guys at the back, look, 20 metres. 20 metres start. Look at the advantage here. Look, all the way back to there. So even in an ocean swim, when there's no surf, you can get a 20 metre head start